What if AI could build your entire digital product for you while you slept? Not a side hustle, not some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about a real, scalable income stream, up to 5,000, even 10,000 a month, selling digital products on Amazon. And the crazy part? Most people have no idea this is even possible right now. Tools like Claude are doing the heavy lifting, writing, designing, building. You don't need experience. You don't need money to start. You just need to know the steps. There are 7 of them. Simple, proven, and almost nobody is talking about this yet. If you skip this video, someone else in your city is going to figure it out first. Before you create anything, you need to find a winning niche. Most people skip this step. They guess, they follow trends, and they end up creating something that never sells.